Now, hello everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic of the chapter 3, current electricity, and the topic name is what? Color code for carbon resistors, right? So, for discussion of the color code for carbon resistors, you have to see this. I am having one. This is the one electronic circuit is there. In that, here you have to see so many electrical and electronic components are there, like capacitor, and these. Here you see cylindrical devices like that small. In that some color bands or rings are there. So these are what? These are the carbon resistors are there, and this is the commonly used one device is there. And here these colors are these bands. They are having some specific meaning, and here in this unit or in this section we are going to study that. Right. So for color code of carbon resistors, here to see, suppose this is one carbon resistors that we are making. Yes, in this is what is like a cylindrical form. So on the surface of this, we are getting that different color bands. In general, there are the 4 bands are there, but in some cases we are also getting the 3 bands. So suppose this is the first band on the color band on the surface of this carbon resistor, and then this is the second, and then this is the third, and then after this is the fourth one. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have to see all 4 bands. They are having some specific meaning. Means due to this reason, here we are written color code. So this first band of the color, or first ring of the color, it gives the first significant figure. This is what it gives, the first significant figure, right? Significant figure means simply 0 to 9. These are the digits are there, right? And then this is the second band or second this ring. It is represent the second significant figure. Second significant figure means again same thing is there, 0 to 9. Then this third ring or third band, color band, it gives the decimal multiplier. Decimal multiplier, right? So decimal multiplier means what? This is started from 10 power 0 to 10 power 9, right? And then after this fourth color band, it gives the tolerance. Tolerance means it is the percentage variation when we are calculating the resistance of the given resistor, right? So here you can see, for making the color bands, different colors we are using, and for sequencing of the color means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This we are going to write one sentence, and on the basis of that sentence we can predict that key significant figure of the particular color and decimal multiplier of the particular color, right? Blah, Bro, Roy, ZRP, Oat, Gaio. So here you can see this sentence that I have written, and with the help of this sentence we can easily write the sequencing of the color. Means significant figure in sequence we can write, and decimal multiplier also we can write. So here you can see blah, this is stand forward black. This is the stand forward black. Then for black, what is the significant figure and what is the decimal multiplier? DM, decimal multiplier, and SF means significant figure. So for black, significant figure, this is the 0, and decimal multiplier, this is 10 to the power 0, right? And then Bro stand for, this is the brown, and brown, this is the for significant figure, this is the 1, and here this is the 10 to the power 1, right? And now here you have to see 3 written RY. R stand for, this is the red. This stand for what? Red. So for the red significant figure, this is the 2, and decimal multiplier, this is the 10 power 2. O, this is the orange, and here this is the 3, and here 10 power 3. Y, this is stand for yellow, and here this is the 4 significant figure, and then this is the 10 power 4, right? And here GR stand for green. GR stand for what? Green, and then here significant figure 5, and then after decimal multiplier this is the 10 power 5, right? And then after this is B. B stand for, this is what? Blue, because already black and brown this is over. So B stand for, this is the blue, and this is the 6, and here this is the 10 power 6. And here you have to see oat. Oat means violet. VOILET. What I have written? VO and then last T. So for the violet this is the 7, and then after this is the 10 power 7. Right? The significant figure 7, and decimal multiplier this is what? 10 power 7. And then after this is the GY means this is the gray, GREY, and here significant figure for gray, this is the 8, and then after this is the 10 power 8, right? O means simply this is the white, and then after this is the 9, and then after this is the 10 power 9, right? Sometimes in this color bands we are keeping the silver and gold. So if gold is here, then there is no significant figure. Suppose we are written gold. So for gold no significant figure, but decimal multiplier this is the 10 power minus 1. And for the silver, no decimal multiplier, no significant figure, but this is the decimal multiplier, this is the 10 power minus 2, right? So with the help of this sentence we can easily write the sequencing of the colors in the form this significant figure and decimal multiplier, right? This is. Now after that we are going to discuss about this tolerance means what resistance we are going to calculate, then how much variation in that is there. So tolerance simply it is the meaning of what? Variation. Variation in resistance, variation in resistance in percent, right? In what? In percent. So now this fourth band, which is representing what? Tolerance means variation in resistance in percentage. So if here we are using the two colors, first one, if gold is there, if what? Gold is there, then the tolerance is what? This is the plus minus 5%. Plus minus this is what? 5%. If silver is there, in the means if this fourth band, color band, if this is what? In color silver, in that case the variation in resistance percentage, this is what? Plus minus 10%. Suppose fourth band, this is the missing, only 3 bands are there, means if no color, in that case percentage variation this is the plus minus 20%, right? So this is there, right? Now this is the simple discussion of what? Color code for carbon resistors. Now here you have to see, suppose one example that we are going to write. Suppose this one resistor, carbon resistors we are making that, and here 4 bands are there. Suppose this is the red, this is the green, and then this is the yellow, and then after suppose this is the silver. This is what? Silver. Then how much resistance offered by this resistor, carbon resistors? Here you have to see. First this is what? Red. So for red significant, first this is representing first significant figure, and that is line 0 to 9, and you have to see red. Red this is what? 2. So here you have to write 2. And this is what? What I have written? Green. So green this is what? 5. This is 5. Second significant figure 5. Now this is the yellow. This is the decimal multiplier, and then this is the 10 power 4 into 10 power 4. ohm. This is resistance offered by this carbon resistors, but how much variation is possible for the silver? This is the plus minus for the silver. What I have written, this is the 10%. Right.